Hey everyone, welcome to another studio vlog. In the last video you saw me prep for my shop update, so let's pick up from there and pack the orders that I got. And also thank you so much to everyone that placed an order. I recently started selling my patterns as stickers, so instead of just digital files, you can now get physical stained glass patterns sent to you. I started out with the crow, of course, so I put that up on my shop first, and here are some clips of me packing all those orders. It's been requested for a while that I do this, so I'm very happy that people are liking them. And as of now, all of my patterns are available as stickers, and I'll be adding new ones as I create more designs. If you have an idea for a pattern that you would like, just let me know and maybe I'll make it. Lately, I've really been wanting to get back into traditional drawing and painting, so I bought a new sketchbook. I'm planning on using this to create sketches for illustrations and stickers that I want to make. I want to add a lot more products to my shop, so I'm working on making stickers and I have more prints. I also thought it would be fun to sketch new stained glass designs and play around with coloring them in to get an idea of what glass to use. I feel like that could be fun. And then I could try out like different color palettes too and see what that would look like. And Arrtx kindly sent me some markers to try out, so this is a perfect time to do that. I've tried some of their other markers before. Those were the round tip ones that you had to pump to get the paint flowing, but this box here is the 90 color acrylic marker set. There's no pumping required and they have brush tips, which are my favorite. As you can see, there are so many colors to choose from and they are as vibrant as they look on camera. I need to swatch them all, but I'm just picking a few colors to start with. These markers are so smooth. The paint has an almost gouache-like finish, which I used to use a lot when I painted and I love the look of it. So it's really nice that you can get a similar result by just using markers. The coverage is great, and because it's acrylic, you can use them on other surfaces like glass, wood, ceramics. They're super versatile, and if you would like to try them out, I will have them linked in the description. I also sketched my crow design and used these markers for that. I didn't love the color palette I picked out, but I'll show it anyway. And speaking of, I had another pre-order drop for my stained glass crows. It was a limited batch because I used up the rest of the glass that I had for them, so we will end this video with getting started on those. Currently I have 13 stained glass pieces in progress, so there's a lot more to come. The next stained glass drop will be mid-August, so look out for that. Instagram is the best place to follow me for real-time updates on things like that and seeing what I'm working on behind the scenes. But that is about it for now, so enjoy some glass cutting and thank you for watching.